Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily add a new user to your Windows 11 PC. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. So first you go ahead and tap right here. You're gonna get this window. You can find your settings here. If you can't, you just search for settings in the search bar. So it's going to be settings. And here it is. It's gonna pop up right here. Go ahead and open settings. Now within settings, in the left side right here, you should find something that says accounts. It's gonna have this little icon. Go ahead and tap on it. So within accounts, you go ahead and scroll down until you find other users. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you find all of your users here. If you want to add a new user, you simply tap on add user. That's going to be right here. Let's go ahead and tap on it. Wait for this little window to pop up and load. Once it does, you can go with I don't have this person's sign-in information. It's gonna be quicker, so let's go ahead and tap on it again. Wait for it to load up, and once it does, you can add a user without a Microsoft account. This makes it way easier. You can give it a name now, maybe a password as well. So just type the password twice correctly, and then you tap on next, and then you're gonna get more options here to secure basically your new user, like security questions and all that. So you just fill all of these up. As you can see, all of them is necessary to fill up, so you cannot skip any. Once you're done from that, you can just tap on next and you should be good to go. You have a new user like that, and you can create many by tapping this button, this add user button again and again, and add new users to this list right here. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in future videos.